before fast food chains took over every highway exit. Before energy drinks, smartphones, and 24-hour convenience stores. There was the American truck driver. Millions of miles, endless highways, long nights, tiny roadside diners glowing under neon lights. And when hunger hit somewhere between Oklahoma and Ohio, truck drivers didn't stop for burgers and fries from a drive-thru. They ordered sandwiches, huge sandwiches, cheap sandwiches. Sandwiches built to keep a driver awake through rainstorms, snowstorms, and 12-hour shifts behind the wheel. Many of these diner classics have nearly disappeared today. Some were created during the Great Depression. Others were born in railroad towns, farming communities, and truck stops that no longer exist. But in the 1960s, these sandwiches were highway legends. Let's travel back to America's golden age of trucking and discover 25 lost diner sandwiches that kept a generation of truck drivers moving. 1. The hot roast beef sandwich. A mountain of slow-cooked roast beef placed between slices of white bread and completely covered with rich brown gravy. Drivers loved it because it felt like a full dinner without waiting for a full dinner. After a long haul through winter weather, few meals felt more comforting. 2. The pork tenderloin sandwich. Especially popular throughout Iowa and Indiana. A breaded pork cutlet was pounded so thin and wide that it hung far beyond the bun. The sandwich often looked ridiculous. But truckers knew one thing: the bigger it looked, the better it tasted. 3. The patty melt part burger. Part grilled cheese, all comfort. Ground beef, onions, and melted cheese grilled between slices of rye bread. Many diners served it 24 hours a day because truck drivers ordered it around the clock. 4. The chipped beef sandwich, known by many older Americans as a budget meal. Thin slices of dried beef mixed into creamy white gravy and served over toasted bread. It wasn't fancy, but it was filling, inexpensive, and available almost everywhere. 5. The fried bologna sandwich. A diner classic that today's younger generation rarely sees. A thick slice of bologna fried until the edges curled upward like a bowl. Simple ingredients, big flavor. Truckers loved it because it reminded many of childhood lunches. 6. The club sandwich. 3 slices of toast, turkey, bacon, lettuce, tomato, and enough toothpicks to hold the whole thing together. It became one of the most popular overnight diner meals in America. 7. The liverwurst sandwich. Not everyone loved liverwurst, but those who did were loyal. Served with onions and mustard on rye bread, it was especially popular among older truckers who grew up before World War II. 8. The ham salad sandwich leftover ham mixed with mayonnaise, relish, and seasonings. It was economical and helped diners avoid food waste. Truckers appreciated its hearty flavor and low price. 9. The open-faced turkey sandwich. Roasted turkey piled onto bread and smothered with gravy. Many drivers ordered it when they missed family dinners back home. It felt like Thanksgiving on a plate. 10. The Western sandwich. A combination of eggs, ham, onions, and peppers. Served between slices of toasted bread. Perfect for drivers grabbing breakfast before sunrise. 11. The corned beef special. Before giant deli chains became famous, roadside diners were already serving towering corned beef sandwiches. The salty meat paired perfectly with mustard and rye bread. 12. The egg salad sandwich. Simple, affordable, reliable. Almost every diner had the ingredients ready at all times. For truckers watching their budget, it was a dependable choice. 13. The grilled cheese deluxe. Not just cheese. Many diners added tomatoes, bacon, or ham. The result was a meal that felt bigger than its humble ingredients. 14. The loose meat sandwich popular across the Midwest. Seasoned ground beef served loose on a bun. No patty, no fancy toppings, just meat and flavor. 15. the fried egg sandwich. One of the fastest meals a diner cook could make. A hot fried egg, toast, and sometimes bacon. Perfect for drivers racing against delivery deadlines. 16. The Tuna Melt tuna salad topped with melted cheese and grilled until golden. Its popularity exploded during the 1950s and 1960s. Many truckers considered it the ideal late-night meal. 17. The BBQ beef sandwich. Slow-cooked beef covered in smoky barbecue sauce. Messy? Absolutely. Worth it? Every single time. 18. The Reuben corned beef. Swiss cheese, sauerkraut, Russian dressing, grilled rye bread. A sandwich so satisfying that many drivers planned stops around diners known for making the best Reuben. 19. The pimento cheese sandwich. Especially common in the South. Creamy cheese spread packed between slices of soft bread. Cheap, filling, and surprisingly flavorful. 20. The sardine sandwich. A forgotten favorite from an earlier generation. Not everyone ordered it, but many older truckers grew up eating sardines and continued ordering them well into the 1960s. 21. The bologna and egg sandwich 2. Diner staples combined into one meal. Protein-packed and inexpensive. A common breakfast order before long hauls. 22. The chicken salad sandwich made fresh each day from leftover roasted chicken. Served chilled with lettuce on toasted bread. A refreshing option during hot summer routes. 23. The hot hamburger sandwich. Hamburger patties on bread covered with gravy. Essentially comfort food disguised as a sandwich. Truck drivers loved meals that stuck to their ribs. This one certainly did. 24. The peanut butter and banana sandwich. Long before it became famous through celebrities and pop culture, many truckers already relied on it. Sweet, filling, easy to eat quickly, and surprisingly satisfying. 25. The truck stop special. Every diner had its own version, usually involving leftover meats, eggs, cheese, onions, and whatever bread was available. No two were exactly alike, yet somehow every truck driver knew that the best sandwich on the menu was often the one that wasn't officially on the menu at all. The next time you pass a modern highway exit packed with fast food restaurants, remember that things used to be different. In the 1960s, truck drivers didn't just stop for fuel. They stopped for conversation, for coffee refills, for neon-lit diners, and for sandwiches that carried them across America 1 mile at a time. Many of these legendary diner sandwiches have nearly vanished from today's menus, but for the generation that drove America's highways during its golden age, these weren't just meals. They were part of the journey, and sometimes they were the best part of the day. Which of these lost diner sandwiches would you try first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more forgotten pieces of American history.